Inspecting your transmission is not a hard job, but it does require cleanliness, organization, notes, and math. There are a lot of numbers to record and calculate, which would be very hard to follow in a video, so this video is going to be an overview of the transmission service. All the numbers and calculations will be in the full step-by-step guide on fixyourdirtbike.com. No matter what you find during your inspection, you will need 3 new snap rings, as the old ones will deform when you remove them. As you go, measure the inside diameter of the gears and the inside and outside diameters of the bushings. Inspect every part for visible wear, like broken teeth, cracking, gouging, and pitting. If anything even looks damaged, you will need to replace the part. The main shaft is the larger of the 2 shafts. Disassemble the main shaft, transferring every part in order to a long screwdriver. The gear stack on the main shaft is oriented: washer, 2nd gear, washer, 4th gear and bushing, spline washer, snap ring, 3rd gear, snap ring, spline washer, 5th gear, and 1st gear is the countershaft. Inspect and measure each gear, washer, and bushing. Measure the main shaft diameter at 5th gear and inspect the splines, gears, and snap ring grooves. Record each measurement as you go. The countershaft is the shorter of the 2 shafts and is disassembled from both sides. Remove each side with a separate screwdriver, cleaning and measuring as you go. The countershaft gear stack on the left side is oriented: washer, 2nd gear and bushing, washer, 4th gear. The countershaft gear stack on the right side is oriented: washer, 1st gear and bushing, washer, 5th gear, snap ring, spline washer, 3rd gear, washer. Measure the countershaft at 1st, 2nd, and 3rd gear positions, and check the splines and snap ring grooves for damage. Record every measurement as you go. You will need to calculate the clearance between the gears and their bushings, and the bushings and the shaft. There are a lot of numbers to go over, which I demonstrate in the walkthrough on the website. Clean the shift drum, forks, and fork shafts. Measure each fork claw thickness, inside diameter, and guide pin. Measure the diameter of the long shift fork shaft at each end and the center point.